Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of Shifting State. We're in 2022, guys. Out here, hiding in the garage with my beautiful, beautiful babies back here. Not that one. Not that one. That's the whites back there. But anyways, so if you're new to the channel, this is my 2021 Harley-Davidson Road King Special with that 114, the beautiful, beautiful 114 in the beautiful Deadwood green. Love it so much. That color really makes the bike. And of course, I got my other baby back there, my 2017 Harley-Davidson Roadster Cafe Racer. She's hiding out. She's up on the little trickle charger over there, staying fresh, staying warm. So, just gonna do a little quick update out here since it is cold out here in the garage. So, quick update on the Road King here. I'm going to go through, of course, the video is titled Empire Collection, so that's what we're going to talk about today. I got a few pieces of the Empire Collection on the Road King here. The drawback to the Empire Collection right now is everything's on back order. So, been reaching out to Harley best I can to maybe they'll help me out. I've seen on other small channels where they've sent packages to them and helped these other small channels out, and they gave a quick little review. So here's my little review on the parts that I do have and have gotten, and I'll go over the parts that I still need to get. But let's go ahead and get it started. We're going to start it out with the grips. So these right here, this is the Empire Collection by Harley-Davidson. These are the grips that will fit on your touring model. Beautiful. Nice little pan around. So my first time installing grips on this style bike, I installed the grips over there on that bike. That was actually more complicated over there than it was to install these. So these are throttle by wire, of course, so I guess that's how you say it. But a little bit easier. So it's all electronic. It's none of the cables like over here on the Roadster. But so throttle by electrical wires that are all tucked away in there. Very easy to put on. But as far as the styling or the collection here by Harley-Davidson, like I said, that's another nice little pan around. I love them. I like them. They really make the bike. I think I made a good choice with going with the Empire Collection, and it was really great that when I bought this bike, sorry, back to me. It was really great that when I bought this bike, that collection actually came out. So it was kind of meant to be, except for the fact that the big drawback, everything's on back order. And they're telling me, a lot of the dealerships are telling me that it won't be until like June or July. And I'm trying to get this thing finished and put together before then. So anyways, back to the collection. So moving on to the next one are the mirrors here. And I'll give you a nice little pan, slow pan. Once again, I like them. I like the styling of them. It's got a nice modern flair to it, but not too modern. But I like it. You get the styling of these mirrors, grips, they really go with the bike. So I'll give you the front of it. Yeah. Okay. So, and of course, install as far as the mirrors go, pretty plain simple. Just a little bolt right here on the bottom, take them out. And the only downside is when I go with the bigger bars, I can't really flip the mirrors under, like, you know, upside down like I did on the Roadster over there, because you got like Harley-Davidson right there, so it'd just be upside down. So I don't know. We'll see how that goes once I get the bars in. Now, the next piece, final piece that I have for the Empire Collection that I can get my hands on at the time being is the shifter peg. So, once again, nice little pan around. Pan, pan, pan. Pizza pan. All right. So, simple piece, but I like it. Adds to a little flavor. It came with this crush washer here. I'm probably going to take that off, may leave it on. It said to put it on there, so I put it on. Now that I got you here, and I've gone over the pieces that I do have. As far as the Empire collection goes, we can talk about the ones that I need. So Harley, if you're listening, I'm reaching out to you. Once again, this is me reaching out to you with my fans, my subscribers. I'm down on my knees here. That's it. I don't know how I got here, but I'm here on my knees. Harley, listen to me. I need it. I want to complete this. I want to make this happen. So let's go ahead and talk about what I need. Footboards. Okay, I need the Empire collection. Footboards. Need to make that happen. We need the derby cover. We need the rear passenger pegs. What else do we need? I'm also going to need the large brake pedal here, so it all just flows together. So with the Empire collection though, they come in like 3 different stylings. It's like all black, which I went with here, as you can see. And then they got the machine black or machine chrome. It's 3 different accents to it that you can get. So you can head over to the website and check that out. And then just go ahead and check the availability on it, because it's hard to get. I mean, great collection, just hard to get. Now that we talked about the Empire collection, let's talk about what I'm trying to do to finish off. I know y'all want to see the bike, actually. Let's talk about what I'm trying to do as far as the bike goes here. My 2021 Harley-Davidson Road King Special. And for those who don't know what the nickname is, what I'm calling it, it's called the Warbird. And the reason I call it the Warbird is because the Road King here gives me that vibe, especially in this color, of like old World War II bombers. And I'm a big fan of like old Warbirds like that, like the old fighter jets, or I'll say fighter planes, you know, stuff like that. And as you can see, I'll show you. Little, I don't know if you see that or not, but I like that old style. I like the old machines that are just loud and roaring and, I mean, flying through the air. These, of course, are just flying on the ground down the road. But so that's why I called it the Warbird. That to me, that's the vibe I get when I look at it. So, but as far as what I'm trying to do to this thing, so I don't know if I want to leave the gas cap and gas gauge on there. I don't know if I want to leave that the way it is, or I might go with the flush mount, you know, with the LED lights. I'm sure you guys have all seen it. Or there's another one where it kind of looks like this. It's blacked out and it's got like mesh, and then same here over here, but then the gas gauge over there, it's got mesh, but it lights up with the fuel gauge. I'll be working with one of my buddies here, and this stock center metal piece here, I'm going to be pulling that up, and I'm going to be working with my friend, and we're going to get a special custom piece of thin metal, because that's all that is, like tin, cut out, and then I'm going to do like some kind of special engraving or like image there. So that's going to be different. And then as far as the bars go, I'm doing Carnelli. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Carnelli 14-inch gangster apes. So they'll just raise up just a little bit taller, and just like everything else I put on here, just like everything else I put on the bike, I'm trying to do it all myself. That bike over there, I had a little bit of help getting the bars on, and because I've never put cafe clip-on bars on before, and I had help from the dealership. They put it on for me. But this bike here, I'm trying to do it all myself, which is, it's scary for me, but I also kind of like to be an example of, if I can do it, you can do it. So, but oh yeah, I forgot the one other thing too. I put the I guess headlight ring on here, and the cell ring. Let's see, make sure you get a nice little pan. Yeah. So let me know how y'all kind of feel about it. You think that's a good look for it? Should I leave it on there, take it off? It's up to you guys. Let me know. Also, with that, if you do plan on getting one of these and putting it on, so I actually thought you took the original trim ring off and then put this one on. This trim ring actually goes over top of the stock trim ring. Just a little helpful hint. It's in the instructions. But if you're like me and don't read instructions, you wouldn't have known that. So you're welcome. Moving on to the seat here. Of course, I'm probably going to go with, I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know what kind of seat I should go with. Could leave the stock one on there. I've had people tell me to go get the tan brown one to go with the color of this bike. No, I'm not doing it. I want to keep a black seat, but like I said, y'all let me know what brand seat, what style seat should I go with. I recently did a video on the Vance and Hines TORQUER 450s that I put on here, and I will be doing another video for you guys so you can hear it like a good video at idle, you know, different RPMs, drive-bys, ride along. Last time I tried to do a video of the exhaust going down the road, I had my GoPro suction cup mounted here and it fell off, so that was fun. But these are the TORQUER 450s by Vance and Hines. I like the look of them. Need to clean it, but nice big opening. Can you see in there? That's just a little bit what I got going on with the bike, and you know, I'm just trying to get the parts together to finish it, just like all you guys putting y'all's bikes together. Just trying to, whether it be funds or just finding the parts in general. Harley, just trying to find the parts. But so that's what I got going on for that. I guess I'll close it out with a nice little pano. Yeah, nice little pano of the bike once again. And man, I'm done with winter. I don't know if you guys are. Totally burnt out on the cold. We just had a bunch of like sleet, rain, ice everywhere. Fun stuff. Took the truck out, slid around a little bit. Fun times. But done with winter, ready for riding season. And with that statement said, also working on a lot of good stuff with some friends. The Virginia Revolution Run. I'll say it one more time. The Virginia Revolution Run. You can look that up on Facebook, Instagram. I created an Instagram page for it. I'm actually in the process with some friends. We're turning it into a non-profit organization. And the purpose of it is we're all going to ride all year long. So while we're riding, we want to do good, give back to the community and everything. And we want to use that non-profit. We're going to be setting up bike nights, meeting people, selling t-shirts, whatever we got to do, but we want to raise funds. And like, if there's a biker down or something like that, we can give back. We actually just had a guy around here, his house burned down. It'd be nice to have this organization built up and we'd be able to step in and say, hey, we want to help. And we want to use Virginia Revolution Run as a source, as a means to kind of bring everybody together as a riding community, have fun, give back, help out one another. And that's part of our goal. So go over, check out our Facebook page, our Instagram page. And if you're around the area, come out to the bike nights, come out to the rides that we're going to be doing. We're just going to be organizing a lot of fun stuff. So that's what I got going on right now. Shifting State as the name, a brand, whatever you want to call it right now. Right now it's just a YouTube channel. I want to step it up and make it more. I want to turn it into a business, a company kind of thing. So working on that too. Got a lot of goals for 2022. Hopefully you guys are going to come along for the ride. And of course, you know, let's make the family grow here on the YouTube channel. I love you guys. It's cold in here. That's why I'm just spitting this out. And, no, I do. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And, yeah, I'm out.